Imagine you're outreaching, you're trying to have the highest chance of signing models, and then you have just an updated list of free model leads, and then a tool to handle them all and let you know exactly what to say, the stages you're up to. Imagine if you do that, and then you manage the scripts, add the script there, initial sent, value proposition sent, objection handling, etc., along with a direct link to the profile. And this is just the beginning. But first, let me show you what I've been cooking up. Wouldn't it be nice if you could sign a model in just 3 easy steps with no Zoom calls, no back and forth BS, no emails, no scheduling, no calendar dates, no being left on red, no getting ghosted? Wouldn't it be nice if you could just send 3 messages and then after that, the model is signed and you have the signed contract in your hand? You send 1 message to them, boom, yeah, I'm interested. Follow up with what you can offer. Send through the link. Boom, they've signed it all in the Instagram DMs. Wouldn't that be nice? All right, so I've been cooking up something. I've explained this in the past and a lot of you are not getting it. So I thought I'd just rebrand it to just let you know how good it actually is. Now, it has been updated. You can't just send a voice message straight away, unfortunately. Oh, damn. There is a workaround for this and I'll show you exactly how to do that. But mainly, I just want to show you what I've been cooking up, because if you are having trouble signing models and none of them are opening, they're all being left on scene, and even the ones that are interested, you're just not being able to close them, then I'm telling you, it has something to do with all those levels, all those layers of friction that you have in your onboarding process. Yeah, we'll get you on a Zoom. I'll interview you. I'll send an email. I'll send a contract. Let me know what you think. They object via email. You get a response to that email. Boom. Here's the updated contract with your objections handled. Yeah, I don't know, but what about that? Blah, blah, blah. And eventually it's like, fuck, I don't care. And you've just lost it. So we've got something cooking up. Imagine if you could just import all of these leads, which you know are already warmed up, feed them into your CRM tool. I give you the scripts all built in. You can see which ones you've sent, where you're up to, what to do next. It's the closest to an automated onboarding process that you can get with the least amount of steps, the least amount of friction, and the highest success rate. So that is actually what I've been cooking up. Right, let's have a look here. Now we want to add leads. Now we just, as I said, you'll just copy and paste the leads. I just scrolled down because I didn't want you to see the entire list. Otherwise, I wouldn't be fair to all the other members. And then do that. And then we'll go another one. Oh yeah, we also don't work with males either. Why? Because I don't want to see dick. That's why. But, you know, I'm sure they can make money. Boom, good enough. Just a demo, processing, sweet. And then it will load in their profile photos. You'll get a direct link to the photo. Initial sent, value proposition sent. Now move that over. Objection handling sent, good. Contract sent, sweet. And then manage scripts, cool. Collaboration, haha. That's not what I actually sent. That is just the default that the AI came up with. You better find this inside the straight sign method. But as I said, it's all going to work together, right? So we upload the scripts there, upload that there. And this is just the beginning. Yeah, just dabbling in this. But anyways, as usual, if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. And if you want to have first access to this tool, or you want access to free model leads along with the best way to close them with as little friction as possible, then click the link below to join my Supreme Leaders Empire community. And as usual, if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.